All right, we're gonna do round 2 of the survival food. You guys ready to do the next round of survival food?
Yes.
You are?
Yes,
You like
yes,
it?
Yes.
You liked the macaroni and cheese last time, right? Mrs. D is gonna be in this one. She's gonna be enjoying this one for sure.
What are we...
So, ready hour, you need to send some more survival mac and cheese over for Ellie. She really likes it. All right, we're gonna pick out another one. Let's see what happens with this. There it is. Ready.
Chicken flavored rice,
Does it sound really good?
black bean soup,
No.
home style potato soup.
No.
It's between these two.
Which one? What looks more appealing?
The black one or the black one? This one's
If
heavier.
it was like Red Dawn and you needed to find something to eat that
Should we
day,
add chicken to it? Because it just says chicken flavored.
I'm sure
It's
it's.
just chicken broth and rice and vegetables. There's no meat in
You
it.
mean just chicken broth?
Where's that?
Oh my gosh.
piece? Right
Things
there.
going off. That one? Remove oxygen absorber. Bring 5 cups of water to a boil. Whisk in the entire contents of pouch. Reduce to medium heat. Cook for 20 minutes. Remove from heat. Let stand for 2 to 3 minutes. That's 2 cups of water. Hold on to it tight. Now you gotta pour it in.
Pour it in here.
Pour it in there. Yep. Can you do it? Don't drop it. Don't fall.
Are you the best dad ever?
Of course I'm the best dad ever. We gotta
This
time
one?
it.
This one?
Yep. Okay, that's good.
There.
15 minutes. You wanna what?
Hold the chicken.
You wanna do what now?
Hold the chicken.
You wanna hold the chicken? Why?
Dad. Because that's why I Aha.
Look at this.
I think this one is what I
It's thick. Alright.
Mr. Neat.
Good.
Is it really good?
It's like
Let's see. We mixed like real chicken into it. Is it good without it, you think?
Oh yeah. This is giving it all the flavor.
It's really
This
good.
is the stuff. Here's going right in it. It's really good. It's like a creamy chicken and rice.
Yeah, that's really good.
It's really good.
Not bad. Alright, that's 2 for 2. That's really good.
so good.
And the chicken's nice. You could easily, it goes really good.
We have
What's it?
this.
What's it similar to? Like, what would it be? It's like it's not a soup, but
No, it's not soup. It's just like a creamy chicken and rice casserole or something.
So good.
what could you have with it? That'd be good. Like if you were gonna mix this up, and make a
I said the show.
Broccoli and
Broccoli.
and like some bread.
broccoli and bread.
Dad,
What?
can you go get my milk and fill it up, please?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, is there a thumbs up for you? A thumbs up from Ellie this time, even, and Mrs. D. All right. So
Good.
the ready hour chicken and rice is good. Everybody agrees. It's really, really good. It doesn't taste like an MRE or a survival food type thing. It just tastes like.
But somebody stuffed it in there.
What do you think? Challenge it down. Maddie, what do you think?
Good.
Good.